Today, we are ditching the awful factory headlights and installing the ultimate Mark 1 headlights with these Hella H4s and these Auxito LED bulbs. This is a mod I think is very important and I am super excited about it. I believe these cars are meant to be driven as much as possible, but I live in the country and after hitting a deer and totaling my Mark III several years ago, I don't like driving my old Volkswagens with their awful factory headlights. The other thing that makes this really cool is that this headlight conversion isn't just good for early and late Westy Volkswagens, but these 5x7 seal beam headlights, they came on many other foreign cars, they came on American cars, and Chevy even had them on their express vans up until a few years ago. So any vehicle that has these headlights, this video is for you. Before I show you guys how to put them in, which is super easy, let me first give you a comparison of before and after. So you can see sealed beam does look pretty good, but it's more of just a floodlight instead of the Hella H4. So we'll look on the door there so you can see better. More of a soft glow versus that really nice distinct beam from the H4. You will notice my adjustment is a little bit off. The problem with these is that the adjusters are plastic. I actually broke the one when I was making this video and found out they're actually pretty hard to find. So I'm just letting that go. Now here is high beam. Once again, maybe not a huge difference, but definitely much more of a nice beam when you look at it. Alright, so the real test. On the right side there, you can see the sealed beam. They throw a really odd beam and then it's just a floodlight there, but it's not shining far versus on the left there, you can see the H4 leaves a really nice beam across there, so super bright, but you're not blinding oncoming traffic. And there is high beam. Just once again, I just like that left side there, really lighting that up. On high beam, the sealed beam does get kind of a beam there, but it's very specific, and it's just kind of a weird lighting that I never liked on any of my Mark 1s. So, the install. The nice thing about these Hellas is they get installed exactly like the sealed beam. So, got the bezel, it's just the 4 screws, pops off, headlight comes out, unplug it on the back. Super easy. So here we have the Hella H4. Really nice light, got the glass lens. I love that you got the Hella logo in the middle. And one of my favorite parts is that on the back, you got the exact same plug. And unlike some of your cheaper brands, or the ones with projectors, you got this giant thing on the back. It's really small, so it fits right in there really nice. One thing I will add on the back, the lights actually do come with a halogen light bulb. Just Auxito sent me those bulbs, so I'm excited to try those out, but you can always use these if you want to try that out first. Here are the Auxito bulbs. Really nice, high quality bulb. Really like it. You don't have the giant fans sticking out the back like your cheaper ones. Really like these bulbs. I'm excited to try them out. The only difference with these two lights is that while the plug is the same, you do have to swap 2 of the pins. So you can either put a pick in there, pull out your pins and swap them, just like in the picture here, or my harnesses are really bad. We have bare wires sticking out, so that's why I just got these new pigtails at Advance, because I have to swap everything anyway. Now, the other thing that gets a little bit weird about these LED bulbs is that you actually have to swap several of the pins because LEDs have reverse polarity, so I'll also have a diagram up for that as well. But hook that up and they pop right in there. Alrighty guys, so the real test. I am absolutely blown away with these headlights, even better than I thought they'd be. So just on low beam, shining really far, but you can see that really nice line there. It's not blinding people. High beams are quite high, but extremely bright. Definitely need to adjust them lower, because yeah, they're shining in the sky there. But wow, I am blown away. Very, very impressed. We have zero flickering, and just, that's a really nice beam there. I mean, that's as good as any modern car can be. So very happy with the results. I am beyond excited with these headlights. Just absolutely blown away. I could tell when I was shining on the wall here that they were going to be good, but LEDs also don't do well at low voltage. So once the engine was running, the alternator charged the battery up to where it should be, and they were even better. So just, I've had several Mark 1s and never enjoyed driving them in the dark. Totally different experience now. It's like driving a brand new vehicle. So super pumped. Also just love the fact that the Hellas, they have that nice OEM look. I'm not big into crazy aftermarket headlights, especially an older vehicle like this, that it's more OEM looking. So super pumped. Massive shout out to Auxito for sending me those bulbs to try out. Thank you guys so much. I am super pumped with them and going to be using more of them in the future. Also ECS for the Hella H4 headlights. So check out the links to those products in the description below. That's a way that you can support the channel and we can keep doing awesome projects like this. So thank you guys so much. On the Rabbit, going to be finishing up a few things here before putting it away for storage for the winter. We're going to be kind of focusing on the two Corrados and things I'm going to be doing there. But I am planning some fun things with it for next year already. So let me know in the comments what you want to see me do to the Rabbit or do with the Rabbit. And we'll see. Anything's possible. Thank you guys so much for the support. Hit that thumbs up button before you go. And have a great rest of your day. Peace.